Welcome to Lesson 16. Learn to connect, route, and transform data streams. Let us get started. Every process has three standard streams: stdin, stdout, and stderr. The pipe operator connects std out of one command to stdin of the next. You can chain multiple pipes to build powerful data pipelines. Each command in the chain processes data and passes it along. Let us create a script to explore pipes. The tr command translates spaces into new lines through the pipe. Pipe ls output to grep to filter for shell scripts. Pipe 2 wc-l counts the number of lines. Chaining sort, unique, and sort creates a frequency count. Pipe to head limits the output to the first few lines. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see the pipes in action. Each pipe passes data seamlessly between commands. The greater than sign redirects std out to a file. A single greater than overwrites while double appends. Redirect to dev null to silently discard output. The noclobber option prevents accidental file overwrites. Let us create a script for output redirection. The greater than sign creates or overwrites the file. Double greater than appends each line to the end of the file. Redirecting to dev null makes output vanish completely. With noclobber set, overwriting an existing file is blocked. The pipe greater than operator forces the overwrite despite noclobber. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see the redirection. Always clean up temporary files at the end of your scripts. stderr is file descriptor 2, separate from stdout. Use greater than to redirect error messages to a file. The $&1 syntax merges stderr into stdout. Greater than is shorthand for redirecting both streams. Let us create a script for error redirection. Listing a non-existent path generates an error on stderr. With greater than, only the error goes to the file. $&1 merges stderr into stdout for the pipe, hegs. Greater than sends both stdout and stderr to one file. Separate redirects let you capture stdout and stderr independently. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see the error handling. Separating streams is essential for clean error logging. A here document lets you embed multi-line text in a script. Variables and commands expand inside Heradox by default. A here string feeds a single line directly to stdin. The T command splits output to both a file and the screen. Let us create a script for Heradox and T. The Heradox sends multiple lines to the cat command. Variables like $name expand inside the Heradox. Triple less than is a here string for single line input. T writes the output to a file while also displaying it. T with -a appends to the file instead of overwriting. Let us review the script. Now let us run and see Heradox and T. T is perfect for logging output while watching it live. Let us recap Lesson 16. Pipes connect commands into data pipelines. Redirect output with greater than and double greater than. Handle errors with to greater than and ampersand greater than. Next, text processing with grep. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell for new lesson alerts. See you in the next one.